Hello everyone, it's Simon, Volume Profile Secrets Trading School. Monday 13th of January. Let's examine the day. Wonderful day. Started at 8:19 a.m. January 13th. Um, First thing in the morning I said NQ looks supportive for now. Current level, which was the current price, is a good support on the daily, and the daily wick below is the last point of defense. If the area holds between now and 10 a.m., I see a retracement back to 21,2000, meaning I'm thinking this wick here, the bottom of the wick, is my new um, stop loss if I'm catching along. Of course, members know how to catch along. They need to find a smaller frame and then confirm it, etc. But my goal was huge, was all the way to this level. This is, imagine bookmap, imagine a volume, embedded volume, imagine pending orders. That's what this indicator is, with this thick line. And then on the ES, which will be the subject now, ES, I see the same. I said this is my last point of defense, my stop, and then I'm looking for these targets. Look at these targets: 1, 2, 3. If the area holds up between now and 10 a.m., which means, I need to see some action. Sure enough, look at ES. The bottom, this is the same price. If you read the price on the ES, the bottom price here, see? Just read it here and read. This was the picture that was shared even 8:30 or 8 a.m. Look at the picture and look at the bottom. It's the same price, so nothing changed there. It's the same price, same picture. The move was huge. First target met, and now we're halfway to the second target, and you see this showed up too as an attraction level. Now the reason why we're so successful in finding these trends, these big moves from bottom to top, sometimes it literally goes from a line to a line, from like up to the tick. Why? It's because we use a combination of indicators and a strategy that based on volume profile. Look at this, volume profile was clear on the support level. Not only that, think order flow, think also bookmap, think all these indicators that could that give you embedded volume within the market, heat map, all of it, all is combined in one indicator that I call SAL indicator, substantial attraction level. And that indicator combined with other indicators that we have, like the power lines and the arrows that you see, and the volume profile, indicated that the ES is going up. We had these magenta lines are the embedded volume. I created this indicator about 10 years ago. It's a very simple way of seeing, or basically cheating, seeing where the market is going, seeing what the market makers are intending to do. Now this was on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ did the same. Huge move on the NASDAQ from the bottom to the top. If you look at the hourly chart, big move. And if you see the ES, that the difference between the SAL indicator that we have and the actual heat map. See heat map here? This is the heat map. It's available on sierrachart if you have the proper connection. This is the ES. You see, and this is the ES. This is our ES with the SAL indicator, right? See, you see right here. This is our SAL indicator, right? One of the levels. And this is the heat map that we have on sierrachart with the same settings. I'll tell you the difference. Here we have, see, heavy volume, embedded volume right on the top. Pending orders, I would say, 93, 85, 58, 93. It's the same one, 58, 93, right here. Same, it's the same one. See, so my indicator reads whatever is there for the book map or heat map. It reads the same. The difference is that it reads much more into the even history. So for example, these heat maps and book maps, they can read the price around. I mean, they will read the embedded volume around the price. So to me, I don't think that is a collective correct way of reading the market, because you need to read the rest of it and then combine volume profile with it, such as we have here. All of a sudden you will see the market differently. See all these levels with volume profile embedded in them, you will see much more into the future and into the past than just things around the price. Okay, so this information gave me an idea of where the ES was going initially, right? Like this, right? So the entry level was basically from here, and this was our one target, and now next target is here. Join us into the free trials and also the open rooms Tuesdays, and we can explain this in details.